I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. But hello. Some days you run a marathon, and other days you barely make it to the mailbox. And I'm gonna tell you what, today is a mailbox day. I'm just getting over being sick for like the 3rd time in a month. My baby just started daycare, so we're getting all those daycare germs. I'm the most affected in the household. It's wild. I thought I was strong. But yeah, I'm starting to feel better. I need to reset my home, but also like I'm gonna take it easy today. I'm gonna make a nourishing, easy chicken pot pie recipe. And then I'm gonna make another easy sweet treat recipe. And of course, I'll have them both linked in the description if you're interested. So besides cooking, we're gonna do some cleaning. I need to clean all the sheets, my bedding, you know, get those sick germs out of here. Kick them to the curb. So if you're looking for some gentle motivation or just wanna hang out with a friend, you've come to the right place.
Run away to a brighter day. Like a bag, cop a couple tickets, hopping on the plane. Hit a different country with each other, change your last name. Tell me, is you with it? Cause I'm with it. Why don't you feel the same? Down, 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 down.
Knew you were different from the start, love. How you learn, they never taught love. You keep it peaceful and equal, I'm used to wars, love, hard love. I'm used to trauma, used to drama. Got a list of bad exes, plus I got a baby mama. Still you keep it solid, put that on my mama and them. Way you build me up, you probably add an extra accommodation, destination, running to a flight. We ain't never coming back, I hope you didn't pack light.
We should run away to a brighter day. Pack a bag, cop a couple tickets, hopping on the plane. Hit a different country with each other, change your last name. Tell me, is you with it? Cause I'm with it.
Why don't
you feel the same? Down, 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 down.
Is it selfish that I want you all on me? Loving all on me, touching all on me, f***ing all on me? Girl, be honest. 30,000 feet and we can leave the world behind us. Cause we keep it raw, I'ma hit it with no I'ma hit you with my soul, I'ma hit you with these goals. You should probably leave your phone, ain't no service where we go. But you can't be iffy, baby, tell me where you at. You can choose the destination, put your finger on the map.
We should run away to a brighter day. Pack a bag, cop a couple tickets, hopping on the plane. Hit a different country with each other, change your last name. Tell me, is you with it? Cause I'm with it.
Why don't
you feel the same?
Down, 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 down.
Put all your stuff away and check out for the day. There's no time to waste when it's 100 degrees. Burns under my feet. Won't you have a drink with me? We head into town, see what it's about. Barely need a shirt, though the sun has almost set. Make the most of it.
Okay, so now that the bedroom is all clean, sanitized, germ-free, it's time to move to the kitchen. So like I said, I just want to wipe it down really quick, get a clean slate to start cooking. First dish I'm going to cook is this chicken pot pie recipe. I chose this one because it says that it's easy, and your girl loves an easy dish. But also, it looks nourishing and it looks good. So we're gonna try it together for the first time, and I'll let you guys know what I really think. And then we're moving on to this dessert. I honestly wouldn't have chosen this dessert to make if I was picking desserts, but my husband really wants to try this one, and it's super easy. Again, we're just in easy mode today. So I'll let you guys know what I think. Like if I think you guys should give it a go, or if I think you guys should skip it.
There's a heat wave rolling in. There's a heat wave, yeah. There's a party in the streets and the city's on fire. Wave I'm way up on the coke and rum. You stay up, hoping I'll come home. Don't wait up, cause I'm way too gone. Don't wait up, wait up. I'm way up on the coke and rum. You stay up, hoping I'll come home. Don't wait up, cause I'm way too gone. Don't wait up, wait up. Tonight I'm in it for the big fun. This time I'm bringing out the big guns. Bang bang, they wonder can I get some. What I got's for everyone. Yeah, sit down and get to know the sofa. Stand up when shit is taking over. Come here if you was getting sober. What I got's for everyone. Yeah. In the bathroom, in the kitchen, on the balcony is where you'll find me. A galaxy away from my hometown. I'm way up on the coke and rum. You stay up, hoping I'll come home. Don't wait up, cause I'm way too gone. Don't wait up, wait up. I'm way up on the coke and rum. You stay up, hoping I'll come home. Don't wait up, cause I'm way too gone. Don't wait up, wait up. Turn it up, yeah, yeah. Cause this song is such a classic. Turn it up, yeah, 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 yeah. Right now, I don't know what my
Okay, so I may have lied in the intro when I said this was an easy meal because that just took a lot of work. But it looks really good and I can't wait to pull it out of the oven and give it a taste test. But first, I'm gonna try to clean up this kitchen because it's a mess.
Is your healing? Your healing is your healing. Is your healing? Your
Wow, this thing is gorgeous. While she cools, I'm gonna start the dessert, which the dessert is gonna be easy, I swear. So let's go. So the dessert calls for big marshmallows, which we got mini marshmallows, which we'll make do. So I'm making this kind of butter, cinnamon, sugar concoction, and I'm gonna just mix the little marshmallows in there. And it says that you need to squeeze the croissants closed really good or else all the juice will melt out. And I'm struggling with that. Like there's holes in mine. So I think however this bakes, it's gonna be really good. It just might be messier than I expected.
Everything around me looks a little great. Ever since you found out, worry about my brain. I just need a time out, probably just a sprain. It's okay, baby, it's okay.
Scooped with one hand. All right. It's still really warm and it's been sitting for like 20 minutes. Okay, let's get a good bite. Not for you, girlfriend. It's kind of sweet, which is weird. I mean, it's not bad, but I'm like, what made it sweet? Ooh, but look at this biscuit. It's steaming. I'm gonna try it anyways. I'm healed. I'm not even sick anymore. That's all I needed was that bite of that. What am I cooking again? Pot pie biscuit? I have it all over my hands. That's okay. I still don't know what made the pot pie sweet. So maybe add a little bit more salt than me, but it's not super sweet. Maybe it's the flour. Maybe I'm tasting the flour. Or maybe it's just the biscuits. I don't know. Anyways, it's delicious. It just threw me off. But I would recommend this recipe. Not as easy as I thought it was going to be. Just there was a lot of mixing and making gravy and chopping. which honestly isn't that hard, but it was just more than I anticipated. Now we just have to wait for our cinnamon marshmallow croissants to cook, and we'll taste test those. Okay, I just ate my whole bowl, and I'm coming in for another biscuit because that was the best part. I'm gonna put a little something on it. Oh yeah. If I were thinking, I would have done like broke it in half and done a little sandwich with it. That would have been good. Who cares that this was harder than I thought? It was so worth it.
Pull out all your big ones, tryna flip my face. I give you a big hug, say I'm feeling great, feeling great. It's okay, baby, it's okay. I don't wanna see you.
Okay, it's been like 15 minutes. I'm just gonna pop one of these bad boys out. Okay, first thing I noticed, it's still a little gooey on the bottom, but I'm still gonna try it. All right, let's see what kind of pull we get. None. That's okay. Are there any marshmallows in here? They must have all melted in because I swear I put marshmallows in here. Okay, let's just try it. It tastes like cinnamon and sugar on a croissant. Like, it's delish. But I don't taste the marshmallow. And I'm wondering if it was a miss to use the mini marshmallows. I should have stuck with the big marshmallows. But that's okay. Like, I went in for a second bite. Like, it's obviously good. And I'm going to eat my share of these. So if you want an easy recipe, I would say do this one with the big marshmallows though. Thank you guys for joining me on this Sunday reset. I don't know if you can hear my baby playing back there. But honestly, I feel better this afternoon than I did this morning when I started. Probably had to do with the amazing pot pie dish and just moving and grooving and like feeling like a human again. So hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video because I got lots of content coming out. I love to create these videos for you guys. And if there's anything in particular you want to see, hit the comments, please. That was so lame. Hit the comments, please. But you know what I mean, okay? Bye, guys.
Pull out all your big ones, tryna flip my face. I give you a big hug, say I'm feeling great, feeling great. It's okay, baby, it's okay. I don't wanna see you